This is Dr. Ruma Sinha, Professor of Gynecology, Laparoscopic and Robotic Surgeon at Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. So how do we approach a patient or a woman who is presenting to us with infertility? Now what do we do? Before we understand what do we do, you need to understand what is it that is required to get pregnant. There are very simple few things if you try to understand the overall picture. The woman needs to ovulate from her ovary. That means we need to have the egg. The man needs to have good sperms in his semen, right? Then you need to have a good structure in the woman in terms of the tube, the ovaries, and of course there should be regular coitus or regular sexual intercourse. When that happens, the sperms travel up the female genital tract or through the uterus and reach the tubes, where it actually fertilizes with the ovum, and the egg or the embryo that forms travels down into the uterine cavity and gets implanted, and that is the beginning of your pregnancy. So these are 3-4 factors which are really very essential in order for you to get pregnant. So before we actually even decide or say that you are having infertility, we would like to look into these factors and see what the problem is. So we start by looking into your ovulatory process. So we will do some test, maybe an ultrasound report, to understand whether your eggs are being generated or not. And then we'll do a semen analysis for the male partner and understand whether the semen report is okay or not, or whether there are adequate sperm count, motility, whether there is any abnormal forms and things like that. Once these two are okay, we allow you to start planning the pregnancy and see what happens. In case either of them require any attention, we pay attention to that. The third part of the evaluation can be what we look for if there is any structural problem in the uterus or if there is a problem in the tubes, which can be either checked by a simple test on the radiology called HSG, but that just gives an outline of your tubes but does not give you all the problems. So we do recommend to have a hysterolaparoscopic evaluation of the pelvis. That not only just tells me that the uterus and the tubes is over, it also picks up some subtle problems like early endometriosis, small infections, ovarian anatomy distortion, which can be also corrected at the same sitting. Now, once we correct all this, the chance of becoming pregnant becomes high. Almost 80 to 90% of couples who present with infertility can get managed for their infertility either by medicine or simple procedures. They don't need advanced procedures. Very few who have real problems in terms of tubal factors or very bad semen analysis or the eggs are really not forming require things like in vitro fertilization, IVF and further on. So you used to also understand what are the risk factors or what are the factors that can actually add the problem of infertility to you.